camera. Aloha cousins, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? It's been a while since I did a sit down video. So today's video is going to be a HobbyLobby haul. And I'm gonna get into it. Baby is sleeping, and my husband is not home. He went to go watch Godzilla King of the Monsters or something like that, Godzilla movie that's coming out. He went with his friend. So let's go with the haul. So I am just gonna hold this bag up in the air. HobbyLobby! Okay. So we're gonna start off small. So first is I got scissors, and these were like $5 at HobbyLobby, and I needed scissors because we have like, I always lose scissors in the house. One is for like the kitchen, and then one is for like something else, and I can't find it. And I thought these were like $5, and I thought we need scissors because I need scissors to do my things, and can't miss food scissors with these scissors and or other stuff. So I got scissors, and they're really nice. They're like the Prestige scissors, or they're called precision scissors. So scissors. Next I got these were $3. These are the Agenda 52 paper clips, and they are pineapple, and they're like $3. So I think this is pretty cool. This is by the Paper Studio, and I thought I wanted to have pineapples because it's my big symbol of home, and your girl loves pineapples. The next thing I got is sticker pad blocks. So I'm going to open this. So it looks like this, and they're from My Big Ideas. I love My Big Ideas, and thought they're pretty cool. So there you go, just pop it like that. Take out this part. Just gonna stick it to the edge of the rocking chair here. Oh, they're from both sides. So we're gonna, okay, I got it. Okay, so they're like little pocket square things. So I'll show you. So they have stuff like this, like this, like this. They're really cool, and they're just so they're really nice. And you have your variety ones, so I got that. Next I got glue dots because I tried to super glue my things and it didn't really work that well, and these are strong and secure, and they work good with planning. So I thought, why not use these sticker dots, and they're super easy and they're super strong. And so I got sticker glue dots instead of using like what do you call that, the glue stick, because I can't find my glue stick. So I got this, which will probably come super handy. The next thing I got is this snap-in tabs. It comes with 12 pieces, so I thought that's really cool. And I like snap-in tabs, so they're from my Happy Day planner. So I got this, and I like the colors. I like the teal kind. They have like really nice designs, so I got that. Next thing I got is mermaids. You know your girl love mermaids. I always plan to dream a mermaid. I feel like I am a mermaid, and have little mermaids because I'm from the ocean. But anyways, let's stop being adult. I thought this was really cute, and it's some mermaid stickers from Me and Big Ideas. It's the mermaid stickers, and then I'll show you what it looks like in the back. It has all these designs in the back, so I thought that was really cool. And they're 239 pieces. Patience. By the time then I'll like fast forward this. Okay, cool. So it kind of ruined the part, but it has like mermaids, seashell, mermaid life, seashell. It has more mermaids, starfish, seahorses, mermaid water. What I thought the most was awesome is this little quotes about mermaids, which I thought was really cute. Okay, and then the big thing is I got this last year, and I wasn't planning to use it, and I never really used it. I was gonna get the Traveler Journals notebook that everyone's going on about, or aka the Traveler Journals notebook, and then another one was the Erin Condren on the Go folio. It's like, you know, those traveler ones, but then that's like a lot of money to invest in getting like all the inserts and all the accessories that you need. So I kind of went back to this, and I'm gonna be super consistent, and I'm gonna use this because now I have more time on my hands, and now that my daughter is a little bit independent, and instead of like doing chores, I kind of need to keep track on certain things because we're planning to move soon, and then I have to keep track on our finances and all that other stuff, and I thought, why not? And so I got the My Happy Day Planner 18-month planner. I got this because the Erin Condren is a little bit expensive. This was like 30 bucks. It's kind of like sort of the Erin Condren, and Happy Day Planner is really awesome, and I love it. And I planned it, and I stopped like half a month. I'd say I planned the whole year last year, and then I stopped at like mid-September. Yeah, I was planning, and then I stopped when Odessa was born because I literally had no time to do it, and it was just super hard. But now that I have back on my feet and everything's good, so I can do this. So this is the 18-month planner, and I'm going to take this part off. I'm going to keep this for motivation. For a little help and things, but this is my Happy Day Planner. It's called Live My Meat or something like that. I forgot what's it called. But anyways, it looks like this. It is super cute. So I'm gonna take this wrap out. And it's like the Erin Condren planner. You can actually change. It's interchangeable. You can actually change the cover if you really want to. You can take this part out and insert it. So I'm gonna, and these are the people. So happy planning, and then you can follow them on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, which I do. So I'm gonna take that part off because we don't need it. And it says Hello Happy Day Planner, and it looks like this, and it goes, this is 18 months, this goes from July to December 2020. So I'm gonna start planning. It's really cute. So they have the 2019 and 2020 calendars. And the reason why I got this is because it's just like Erin Condren. It does have the important dates, notes, and then it has like cute little like design of your thing, and this is in July. And of course you have your monthly layout, which looks like this, your monthly layout. And then you have, which I like vertical going down. It does have lines, but it's okay. I can just customize it and it looks pretty cool. And looks like that, and yeah. So, and each back of each area, and then you go to the all the way back. It goes all the way around, and it has like different quotes. Oops, I wrote that. Like the quote says, "You are so beautiful." And oops. And then you have the notes. And in fact, you can actually put stuff in. I have extra notepads and hold on. And I also got these pockets to put on the side of the planner, and because I can like stack stuff. And these are 3 pieces, so yeah. And I'm gonna start organizing, and of course I started to plan Odessa's little stickers of tracking her month, and so I'm gonna start organizing it and do a bunch of like things that I have more time on my hands. So other than that, stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching this amazing haul. I am going to get stuff around down the house, and yeah, thank you so much. Mahalo no aloha oi. Catch you guys on the next wave. Shoots, cousin OHANA.